Hello YouTubers and Pantera lovers, welcome back. I decided to go ahead and make a video on my 73 Lusso. This is how to access the engine from the cab, the front of the engine. This will give you access to your belts and your water pump and your thermostat. So I looked all over, couldn't find one, so I decided to make a video. So let's go ahead and get into it. Here we go. So taking the seats out is the first thing you need to do. And after you take the seats out, I removed the seat belt, top of the portion of the seat belt. And below that, there are a couple of Phillips screws that you're going to encounter that are covering the bottom of the seat belt. And then to the right, next to the emergency brake, you'll be able to see that there is another Phillips screw that I removed. And then we're going to go ahead and move to the other side. Oh, and one thing I want to let you know about is try not to yank on this. It's very delicate. This is a 50-year-old car, so there are a couple of clips at the top that are holding it. So I was trying to be really delicate as I was working on this portion, making sure I didn't break this cover that covers the firewall. Okay, and you can see went ahead and moved the camera over. We're on the other side of the car. There's a couple of black caps that cover the bolt, and it's the same process on this side. You're going to go ahead and remove that top bolt for the seat belts. There's two Phillips heads holding the cover, and then you're going to encounter another Phillips screw that is holding the cover next to the armrest, or what is the center console. At this point, I basically discovered the clips up on top, and you can see that I just put my hand underneath and was able to lift it up and off. The previous owner had installed speakers, so I had to go ahead and take off those speaker wires. And then we're going to move to the other side. You definitely want to make sure that you have enough room, whichever side you're going to take this out on. You have to have the door completely open, so you're able to lift it up and over the center console and then take it out either the driver or passenger side of the car. Okay, this main part here, this hump in the middle, this is covering the front of the engine, and those are 8mm bolts that are holding it in, and we're going to take that off next. My appetite, don't leave me high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Okay, with all the bolts removed, I went ahead and got a Phillips screwdriver, and I pried the cover off just a little bit, trying to be gentle with it. Got to kind of work it because it's really tight in there up against the center console, and I had to be very careful not to break anything. Okay, with the cover removed, you now have access to your belts, and you also have access to the water pump and the thermostat, of which I need to work on, and there will be another video following that. I went ahead and also bought some heat shield on Amazon. I'll put the link below, and I went ahead and put it on the back of the firewall cover, and this way give me a little bit more protection from the heat of the engine. And more to follow, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been a helpful video for somebody who's new to the car like me, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and there will be more videos to follow. Thank you, YouTubers and Pantera lovers. We'll be back soon.